Continue our discussion on the case study digest of SCMPE. So today we are going to see question number 40, skill-based question number 40. So let's start limited. Just read the question. I will make you understand what is the answer. Okay, clear. Red Star Limited is the largest manufacturer of the air conditioner and is not good at attending the customer calls, and that's why it has planned to hire Krishna Infotech BPO services. Krishna Infotech BPO services. Okay, now what it entered into a service level agreement. Service level agreement is basically an agreement which has been entered to provide some service. Okay, where we have some quality checks or some checks is there. Okay, then 90 by 20, 90 by 20, which means, okay, here it is with respect to attending the calls. Here that means it is attending the calls. So it will be stated that 90% of the calls, 90% of the calls has to be attended within 20 seconds. Within 20 seconds, 90% of the calls has to be attended within 20 seconds. This is a quality level which I expect from you. That is the agreement. Okay. Now I have been agreed with it. Okay. Has been the prescribed check on the service quality. I am going to generate invoice monthly, and for the first month I have received the. I'm going to generate the invoice and have been placed before me. Okay. Okay. Assume you are the some CFO. Okay. So now, okay, no, you are not CFO. Somebody is a CFO, and it is placed before him. Why I am telling that, I will reveal it. Okay. Yeah. Now he doesn't know what is service level. He doesn't know what is SLA or what is service level. What does 1920 mean? He doesn't know anything. He seeks your opinion. He seeks this invoice. He says that total calls offered 5120, calls answered within threshold time 4850, short or abandoned calls within threshold time 115. So he thinks, I don't know any of these. I need an expert. That's why he seeks your advice. Okay. Now here you are being called. Okay. So what he asks 5 questions. He asks you 5 questions. What is SLA threshold? What is the threshold time in this case? He asks you this. He asks, now only we understood, right? 90% of calls has to be attended. Then he asks, okay, what is the action service level that they have achieved this month? Okay. And whether he asks whether that actuals match or exceeds the expectation. And then he finally ask you how many calls have to bill them. Okay. So, okay. Clear? So, question is clear, right? So, let's move on directly to answer. What is the SLA threshold and what is threshold time? SLA threshold is the activity response time. It is the activity response time within which I'm going to respond to the particular activity. That is known as SLA threshold, and this will clearly mentioned in the SLA, that is service level agreement. In the current case, what is the thing? 90 by 20, and it is a number of seconds I have to answer the call. Okay, by the telecaller. I have to answer the call by the telecaller. The number of seconds, that will be known as SLA threshold. Here the threshold is 90 by 20, which is nothing but 90% of the call has to be answered within 20 seconds. Okay, explain significance of 90 by 20. Same. So, service level agreement defines a level of service. Level of service you expect from the member. I am expecting this quality, this level of service from you. That is going to be a measure here using a matrix. Okay, that matrix will be known as service level. Basically, measures the performance. I am going to measure your performance. Here it says 90 by 20. Again, 90% of the calls has to be answered within 20 seconds. There is a difference between SLA and SL. See, SLA is a document. Service level agreement is a document, contract. Okay, that outlines a wider service agreements between the service provider and the receiver. Okay, whereas SL is acceptable level of performance. What I'm going to accept from you, what is the minimum level, expected level from you, that will be known as service level. Mind it, both SLA and SL are not same. Now, third question was that you are required to compute the service level for the first month. Okay, let me do it. Okay, see, calls offered is 5120, 4850. Please note this down. Okay, it will be useful. Okay, please. 5120 is total calls offered. Calls answered representation time is 4850, and short or abandoned calls is 115. So, the formula for service level here is total calls answered with this threshold time. This is the my requirement, right? Total calls offered minus short or abandoned calls. See, somebody would have called me wrongly, okay, and they would have cut it before the threshold time, before 20 seconds. I'm not expected to pick within 20 seconds, right? Generally, it takes some 50 seconds or 40 seconds. Okay, the call rings for 40 seconds. I am expected to pick within 20 seconds. Even if it rings below 20 seconds, I'm not responsible. Okay, that's why we are going to less it out. Okay, so total calls answered is 54850 divided by total calls offered is 5120 minus 115. That is sort of abandoned calls. So I am service level is 96 percentage. My service level is 96 percentage. If you don't know this, what happens is you put 4850 divided by 5120, then you will get 94 percentage. Here it is fine, but generally what happens is it falls below the threshold limit and you will not be eligible for any bonus. So that's why you have to calculate this very properly. Be careful. Okay, similar sums could be asked, but not with the exact numbers, right? There could be some twist like this. If you forget the short and abandoned calls concept itself, then what happens is that you put the total calls and then it falls below 90%. Then you said there is no bonus or no incentive to be given. But actual answer is you have to be careful. Okay, then. What is the fourth question? Whether they have attained. Yeah, they have attained. I have set a limit of 90%, but they have achieved 96%. Still, they have over exceeded my expectation. Okay. See, then. See, then. How many calls should I bill? Generally, it is based on how many calls I have answered, and if it is I have answered beyond the threshold, then I will be billed for the entire calls. I will be billed for the entire calls. So here, but I cannot bill you for the calls which I have not answered within the threshold time, which is short or abandoned, right? It is short or abandoned. You have not even picked it up, right? That's why I'm going to let it out 5120 minus 115. The rest is 5005. That is the amount you have to bill it. Okay. Please don't write as 5120. You have told to bill everything. No, it's not because you have not answered. See, the rest calls you have answered, but beyond threshold time. Okay, which means here the question it is 4850 within threshold time, which means out of 5005 calls, 4850 was answered within the threshold time and 155 was answered beyond threshold time. Okay, since I have achieved the performance level, service level which you have committed to, so you're going to give me an entire amount. Okay, so 5005. Clear? This is one of the trickiest question, but not tricky, but it is like new question. Okay, that's why I hope it has to be tested. Okay, yeah. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.